Hi, and welcome to College Credit English. I wanted to show you how Schoology will be set up for this class. So when you log onto your Schoology, you'll find My Course. It should look like this. And then when you come to the home screen, you will find various folders. So the very first folder will be Course Materials. That's where you'll find a copy of the syllabus if you need that at any point, the daily schedule, information about the Longview Writing Center. Since you are a student at Longview, you have all of the benefits of using the Longview Writing Center to get help with papers. You can also use the Longview Library as well. And then if you still need enrollment forms, that's located in Course Materials. The next folder is just a parent folder with information for your parents if they need it. You can also look at it. There is a video where I go through this back to school presentation. You might want to watch that to get any information about the course that you need. And last, right now, you will see on Tuesday a published folder. So we are starting with Place Narrative, and under this unit each week I will have a new folder. So in week 1, I have an agenda for the week. So on this document, you find everything that you would need for the week. So there will always be our Google Meets, and all you have to do is click on your hour, and it will take you into the meeting. There is a link on how to schedule a one-on-one conference with me. The page will look like this. All you have to do is click the next, and then if you need to schedule a conference, you will sign in with your Google, and so it will list your name and then a description. I need help with writing my reader response. You hit save, and then it will notify me, and then I can notify you with the link to our conference. And then it also will have what we're doing the whole week. So the agenda for the day is just an easy way for you to find information with everything hyperlinked. It will also have any documents that you would need to complete work this week, and then the assignment. Schoology calendar is going to be your lifeline for the class because everything will be posted on calendar. So if you can click on your calendar, we have nothing for today, but once this is published, it's going to show that you have something due on the 14th if you're in first hour, the 15th if you're in fourth hour. And finally, updates. Updates are just a quick way for me to notify the entire class if I need to change a conference or if there's important information that I need to get out to you, and I think it should also email you. So while we are virtual, I would suggest that you look at your Schoology numerous times or check your email numerous times, so that way you're always familiar with what's going on in class. So that's just a quick overview on how to use Schoology for my classroom.